Hey you guys, it's Coach Ben with Give and Grow here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to this channel or to these videos, this is where we breathe along to the rhythm of music so that we can get the benefits that slow breathing brings into our life, as well as the benefits that music brings into our life. When we combine those two, we have a super powerful practice for calming down, for relaxing, and that's the focus of this video today. Calm. All right, the song that I chose to you is one of the songs that could easily put me to sleep if I did this breath work right now. It's called Clare de Lune. It's a piano song, so it's super soft, super quiet, and it actually doesn't have a specific rhythm to it. It just is kind of nice and flowy. So for you guys out there breathing today, you're going to find your own rhythm. All right, and remember, a little rhyme, relaxation is in the exhalation. So if we want to get calm, we breathe nice and long through our mouth on the exhale when we breathe out. When we breathe in, we'll breathe in through our nose. Okay? Nice and slow is the key today. A nice slow rhythm is really going to help us calm down. So make yourself comfortable, whether you want to sit down or lie down. The goal is to relax as best you can. Enjoy the music, enjoy the slow, enjoy your breath. Let's grow. Connecting with the music. Starting to slow your breath. Nice and slow at your own rhythm. As slow as you can breathe, as gently as you can breathe. Breathing into your belly. Breathing out any stress, any worries, any fears. Letting those go. Breathing in confidence and peace and calm. Allowing your breath to flow and move and to bring in peace and joy, comfort, relaxation, a smile. Imagining your favorite place to be, your favorite people to be there with. And allowing your imagination to fill your body with beautiful feelings. Any bit of tightness, tension, stress, unpleasant feelings yourselves to be here. And on your next exhale, your next breath out, just letting those go, soft and calm, releasing them. On your last breath in, your next breath in, filling up all the way, filling up your belly, filling up your chest, holding your breath at the top for as long as you'd like. And once again, just bring to mind the most peaceful and calm version of yourself. Imagine yourself feeling so calm. Noticing where you are, noticing what's around you in this vision of this calm version of you. Beautiful. I want to say, I hope you enjoyed that session. I hope you enjoyed slowing down. I hope you enjoyed the music and yourself and your breath. It's a powerful combination, and we can choose music to help us feel the way that we want to feel. We can slow down our breath, to slow down our life, to slow down our brain, to slow down our body. This combination of music and breath is super, super powerful. I hope you felt that today. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you want to hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment, please do. We appreciate it. And I want you to know that we're here for you. Give and Grow is here for you. So you already know it's time to grow. We'll see you in the next video. Much love.